Yo, what's up, guys? As you can see, this is my new account because I couldn't download Schmackle on my main account. So let's get into it. And it might crash because it's a new game. And the this weird thing is here. And yesterday, John Doe jump scared me very badly. Okay, we have loaded in Schmackle. Whee! This is the shore, as you can see. Um, do you know where John Toe is? You know where John Toe is, bro? Why are you hitting me? Profile. Why is my name? Um. Um. This is my name. Hi. And this is the camera mode, although I won't use it. Yo, how do you take the camera mode out, bro? Should we go to John Toe? Hello? Let me in. Okay. That is Hamper the hamster, and that is something that Jim and Curly added. Oh my gosh. Oh. The hands are cooked. And Jim and Curly, if you're watching this, I like your game, but I think you should fix the lag and the no, the loading time is okay, but you need to fix a few things. You what? Wee! Oh wow, bro. That's something. That's a good one. Yeah. Yo, is that yellow tape, bro? Oh, hell no. You get shot into the sky if you show your butt cheeks, bro. No, actually, do this. Yo! G-Man, curly, bro. Okay. There. Right there. Oh. Don't go there! Don't go there! Don't go there! Oh no. Guys, do you want to go to John Toe? Do you want to go to John Toe? Guys, let's go to John Toe. Hey! Hey! Can you stop acting like this is Gorilla Tag? I always get called Indian in Gorilla Tag, bro. Can you stop being racist? Okay. Okay. We Oh my gosh, I just found a glitch. If you do the double jump, you might get outside the roof. Whee! Yeah, I wanna play Saga. Let's go to Saga. Saga is there, guys. Saga is there. There. You know, bro. Where is everybody? Where is everybody? Okay. We have someone here. Hello. Do you want to go to the Saga? Yeah, come. I think the Saga is here. The Saga is here. Oh no, not here, not here, not here. It's down here. Come here. Come down. Yeah, here. What? No. Where is the Saga? Go in. Because yesterday did see the Saga somewhere, but I don't know where it is now. What are you doing? Oh wow! There it is! Come, let's go! Wait, isn't this the garden of Zalus? Gonzalez! Gonzalez! Yay! Okay. Wee. Yo, I lost my. Okay, come. Here. Let's go in here. Come. Now to level 1. Okay, now. It will take 33 seconds. Just wait. Okay, let's wait till 33 seconds. Are you new? Yes, you are new? Okay, I will show you. But if John Toe comes, just don't get scared, okay? If John Toe comes. Because John Toe is like really scary. Not trying to scare you, by the way. Okay. So we are getting in and yeah. What? Server disconnected? Oh my gosh! Jim and Curly, please fix your game. I guess this is the end of the video because I couldn't show you John Toe. Thank you for watching and see you in the. Oh, what the hell? Oh.